Hey guys, Ronald here. I have here a dead mouse, but I don't want to throw it just yet because I want to remove all the other, components that I think I can still use, like these LED bulbs. I'm going to use that, so I'm not going to throw that away just yet. And also this battery housing, I want to use it for my future project. Okay, so I'm going to take it from this part. Okay. I'm planning to use it on equipments that need some extra power. So if I want to add some more batteries, and I want to be able to remove the battery or install the battery without soldering or doing some spot welding. So that's the whole idea. Okay, let's remove this last part. Okay, so you can still use it. If you want to use this 3.7 volt 14500 lithium ion battery, you can use it. No need to do some spot welding or soldering. Okay, so if you have a wireless mouse and you want to use the battery slot, you can also do this. I'll just try to remove the excess burrs. So that's it. I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.